Imagine waking up in a world where abundance feels as natural as the sunrise, where money flows effortlessly, not as a desperate chase, but as a gentle current carrying you towards your dreams. Believe it or not, this reality isn't a distant utopia. It's a secret hidden within the fabric of your own mind. Today, we unlock that secret. What if I told you the key isn't chasing, but observing? Think of it as sneaking a peek at the prosperous you, the one who's cracked the money code and lives life on their terms. Sounds impossible? Trust me, it's not. In this video, we'll unveil the secrets of turning daydreams into dollar bills, all through the power of seeing your future with crystal clear clarity. So, ditch the hustle, grab your imagination, and get ready to attract wealth beyond your wildest dreams. Watch until the end of this video for us to paint a picture of your financially fabulous future together. Here at Better World Zone, our best thoughts and our best actions build our best world. Subscribe now to be part of the best world. Step 1. Paint your paradise in watercolor dreams. Ah, the future. A shimmering mirage on the horizon, beckoning us with possibilities yet unseen. But what if I told you that shaping that future, especially the parts sprinkled with golden sunshine, aka financial freedom, starts not with a frantic lunge, but with a gentle brushstroke? Welcome to Step 1. Painting your paradise in watercolor dreams. Let's ditch the harsh neon of get-rich-quick schemes and instead dip our toes into the serene palette of visualization. Think of it as building a sandcastle of abundance, grain by grain, detail by detail. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and let's dive in. 1. The canvas. Picture your ideal financial landscape. Is it a cozy cottage nestled in a quiet meadow where your income flows from a passion project like that pottery studio you've always dreamed of? Or perhaps it's a penthouse overlooking the city lights, fueled by your expertise as a tech mogul. No judgment here. Paint the masterpiece that sings to your soul. 2. The colors. Now, let the details shimmer. What's the feeling of that morning latte bought with your own financial independence? Imagine the texture of the silk scarf you splurge on after achieving a major career milestone. Hear the laughter you share with loved ones on a spontaneous vacation, funded by your own hard work and vision. 3. The brush strokes. It's not just about the big picture, my friends. Dwell on the tiny joys too. Imagine the satisfaction of paying off bills with a flourish, the freedom of saying yes to experiences you used to deem unaffordable, the quiet confidence that comes from knowing you're the architect of your own financial well-being. Remember, this isn't just a daydream, it's a blueprint. The more vivid your visualization, the stronger the signal you send to the universe, or to your own amazing potential, whichever you prefer. This isn't magic, it's neuroscience. By anchoring your goals in sensory details, you activate the wanting system in your brain, setting it on a mission to make your vision a reality. So there you have it, step 1 of your financial metamorphosis. Don't worry about perfection, let your imagination run wild. Remember, your paradise is as unique as you are. Now head over to the comments below and describe your financial watercolor masterpiece. The clearer the picture, the closer you are to manifesting it. Step 2. Whispering wishes to the universe. The power of positive affirmations. Remember that breathtaking future we painted in Step 1? Well, get ready to inject it with a superpower dose of I can with our second step. Whispering wishes to the universe, aka the magic of positive affirmations. Think of affirmations as tiny seeds of belief we plant in the fertile soil of our subconscious. By repeatedly chanting these mantras of abundance, we shift our mindset from scarcity to surplus, from barely scraping by to flowing with ease. It's not about forcing the universe to bend to your will. It's about aligning yourself with the frequency of prosperity. Crafting your power words. Specificity is key. Ditch the generic "I want money" and get specific. My income effortlessly multiplies with each fulfilled project, or abundance pours into my life, supporting my creative endeavors. Pack a punch. Present tense, please. I am financially secure resonates stronger than I will be. Act as if that dream life is already yours and watch your reality catch up. Positivity, the secret sauce. No room for negativity here. Replace "I can't afford that" with "I am attracting abundant opportunities." Remember, what you focus on expands. Planting the seeds. Repeat, repeat, repeat. Chant your affirmations like a beautiful mantra. Shower, commute, cook dinner. Let them become the soundtrack of your life. Write them down. Seeing your affirmations in black and white adds another layer of power. Stick them on your mirror, fridge, or phone case. Constant reminders are key. Feel the magic. As you say your affirmations, visualize your dreams coming true. Let the joy of financial security wash over you. It's not just words, it's an emotional dance with possibility. Remember, this isn't a one-time spell, it's a daily practice. Treat your affirmations with love and consistency, and watch the seeds of belief blossom into a garden of financial abundance. Step 3. The alchemy of gratitude. Turning thank you into gold. Ah, gratitude, the sunshine after the rain, the sigh of contentment after a delicious meal. But did you know it's also the secret ingredient in the recipe for financial alchemy? In Step 3, we'll explore how appreciating what is can transmute into attracting what will be. Think of your financial journey like a winding mountain path. Sure, there might be some steep climbs and rocky patches, but there's also breathtaking scenery, sparkling streams, and wildflowers peeking through the cracks. Gratitude is like stopping to savor those wildflowers, acknowledging the beauty in each step, in every unexpected penny found on the ground. The magic of appreciation. Gratitude rewires your brain. By focusing on what you have, you shift your mindset from lack to abundance. This activates the reward system in your brain, releasing a dopamine shower that fuels optimism and attracts more positive experiences, including financial ones. It turns small wins into stepping stones. Celebrate the little victories. Paid off a small debt? Thank you, universe, for this milestone. Landed a freelance gig? Thank you for opening doors of opportunity. These mini gratitudes act like stepping stones, leading you closer to your financial goals. It opens the door to abundance. Gratitude makes you a magnet for more good things. When you appreciate what you have, you create a space for the universe to fill it with even more. It's like saying thank you for a delicious first course, knowing a magnificent feast awaits. Practicing the art of gratitude. Keep a gratitude journal. Dedicate a few minutes each day to write down things you're grateful for, big or small. A sunrise walk, a supportive friend, a delicious cup of tea, all worthy of appreciation. Express gratitude verbally. Share your thankfulness with others, be it a heartfelt thank you to a colleague or a silent whisper to the universe for your daily blessings. Focus on the good. Even amidst challenges, seek out the silver linings. Did you learn a valuable lesson? Did you strengthen your resilience? These too are gifts to be grateful for. Remember, gratitude isn't a one-time ritual, it's a way of life. By weaving it into your daily tapestry, you create a rich foundation for attracting abundance. Step 4. Dancing with the universe. Taking inspired action. Ah, the peak of our mountain climb. We've painted our financial paradise, whispered sweet affirmations to the universe, and have been soaked and washed away by gratitude. But there's one more magical ingredient in this recipe for abundance: inspired action. In Step 4, we'll ignite the spark that turns your dreams from wispy clouds to tangible realities. It's about listening to the whispers of your intuition, the gentle nudges that lead you towards opportunities aligned with your financial goals. Forget about feeling like you're pushing a boulder uphill. Inspired action isn't about forced marches and gritted teeth. It's about dancing with your goals, feeling the joy of progress, and trusting the flow. It's like that first brushstroke on your masterpiece, the one that sets the tone and ignites the creative fire. Here's how we tap into that inner compass. Listen to your intuition. That inner nudge to take a specific course, network with a particular person, or explore a new skill. That's your intuition whispering the path to abundance. Trust it, follow it, and watch it guide you towards the next step. Start small, but mighty. Don't get overwhelmed by the grand vision. Break it down into bite-sized actions you can celebrate, like researching investment options, attending a free webinar, or even tidying your workspace for a fresh start. Feel the pull, not the push. Don't force yourself into actions that feel draining or should do. Instead, pay attention to the activities that spark excitement, curiosity, and a sense of purpose. Those are the ones that hold the key to inspired action. Embrace the joy of the journey. Remember, the path to financial freedom is rarely linear. Enjoy the detours, the unexpected turns, the moments of learning and growth. It's all part of the beautiful tapestry you're weaving. Now, in our final step, we arrive at the heart of it all: patience and trust. Think of your financial journey as a lotus flower. Remember, a lotus takes time to unfurl its majestic petals. Cultivating the garden of prosperity. Trust the process. Just like the lotus needs its own pace to bloom, your financial goals may unfold on a different timeline than your expectations. Trust that every step, every experience, is contributing to the fertile soil from which your abundance will blossom. Let go of expectations. Clinging tightly to a specific outcome can constrict the flow of abundance. Release the grip and allow the universe to work its magic in its own time and way. Your financial freedom might blossom in an unexpected form, even more beautiful than you ever imagined. Celebrate the present moment. Don't let your excitement about the future overshadow the joys of the present. Appreciate the journey, the small wins, the lessons learned. Find beauty in the unfolding of your story, not just the final destination. Patience in action. Focus on growth, not outcome. Instead of fixating on the dollar amount, celebrate the skills you're acquiring, the network you're building, the confidence you're cultivating. These are the seeds that will bear fruit in the long run. Embrace learning curves. Setbacks and challenges are inevitable, but they're also opportunities to learn and grow. See them as stepping stones on your path to financial wisdom. Practice self-compassion. Be kind to yourself on this journey. There will be days of doubt and discouragement. But remember, your unwavering trust and patience are the most valuable currencies you can invest in. Remember, patience and trust are not passive resignation, but active acceptance. They allow you to navigate the ebbs and flows of your financial journey with grace and resilience. This, my friends, is not the end of your journey, but the beginning of a beautiful partnership with the universe. Remember, like the lotus flower, your financial dreams will unfold in their own exquisite way, filling your life with beauty and abundance. We've just graced through 5 steps to paint your financial paradise and attract abundance with the power of your mind and heart. Hit the like button to give some love, share your thoughts in the comments below, and consider subscribing for a regular dose of inspiration and practical ways to manifest your dreams. Until next time, keep dreaming big and flow with abundance.